Assalamualaikum, minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to our channel Halal Food in Japan. Today we are standing in very prime location in Tokyo. This is one of the best restaurants, Siddiq restaurant, Pakistani restaurant. It is located between Hanzomo station and Nagatacho station. And this is the only restaurant in which the 3 ex-prime ministers of Japan has visited here. And many parliament members also visit here and have lunch or dinner, and many celebrities have visited, as its location is near to Parliament House. It's a very famous restaurant. So let's see what we have today over here. It's 100% halal certified. Let's see. The interior of this restaurant is pretty amazing. It has around 52 seats. Their lunch menu starts only from 850 yen, so it's quite affordable. Their dinner menu have various options. They have many types of dinner sets. They have many kinds of salads, plus they have many kinds of kebabs, the appetizers. Many different types of platters, many barbecue items. They have many different kinds of curries, whether it's vegetable, mutton, chicken or beef or seafood. They have few different dishes as well other than curries. In short, a lot of options to choose from, but in and decided to order some special dishes. Now it's dinner time and it's raining outside, so it's a perfect weather to have some pakoras. Who don't know about pakoras? Pakoras are actually chickpea flour fried tempuras. So it's actually from Asia. So if you're from Asian country, so you must know about this dish. So as it's raining outside, we ordered some pakoras. We ordered halim, and we ordered some 3 flavored seekh kebab platter: chicken, beef and mutton. It's very rare to find such a dish or platter in Japan, and especially in a Pakistani restaurant. And let me tell you one thing, this restaurant is the very first restaurant who introduced the very long naan, which is more than 42 centimeter. And here it is, look at this, it's so long. So let's start with some pakoras. There are various kind of pakoras. We have some onion pakoras, and here are some chili pakoras. This is capsicum pakora, and this one is chicken pakora, and one more, this is potato pakora. Let's try. Wow. The pakoras will taste much more delicious if you put some mint sauce over it. It's a perfect combination of a pakora and a mint sauce. And ketchup is also good. It depends on you, but my favorite is mint sauce. Next we are trying capsicum pakora. Wow, the batter is so yummy. And this is chili pakora. It's not too much spicy, it's normal. Wow, everything is looking so good and the taste is so perfect. It's perfectly fried It's not too much oily and it's 100% halal. And here is chicken. Perfectly cooked chicken from inside. Now it's time for the 3 flavored seekh kebab. This one is mutton, this one is chicken, and this one is beef seekh kebab. It looks so nice. See, the color are so amazing. And here we have some onion pickle as well. Okay, we're going to try mutton seekh kebab first. It's not too much spicy. Very good taste. It's a mild flavor. And perfectly cooked. And let's try the other one, which is of chicken. I like the way it was presented and the color, it is so amazing. Wow. I really like chicken seekh kebab most, as chicken is my favorite. Enjoying it a lot. This is beef seekh kebab. It is like mostly same as mutton, but there is a bit difference in both of them, but both are very nice. But chicken is my favorite among all. Now let's try the famous long naan with their special halim, beef halim it is. Look at that. Wow. Halim is mostly eaten by naan, but a few people eat it just with the spoon. So I'm gonna eat it with both. Wow. I think I might forget the other dishes, but halim is the star of the dinner today. I'm really loving it. The spices and the ingredients are mixed so well. Perfect. Asians or Japanese, I think both will enjoy such kind of food in this restaurant. Let's try with the naan now. Wow. What a good combination it is. They have many amazing curries and more dishes as well. But I think this is a must try because halim is their main special dish to try. And as it was raining, so we ordered pakoras as well. So you must also enjoy pakoras in a rainy weather. This restaurant is famous as many Japanese come over here. Plus, many Muslims visit here. As the location is very easily to access. It's just near the Nagatacho Parliament House, which is very famous and everyone knows about it. So this restaurant is must a try. It is also near to Roppongi and Kasumi Gaseki. It is in a very good location everything is near the main locations, the station. Everyone visit there, and it's a tourist point. So I think you must come over here and try their halal food. As you know all, the owner is also Muslim and the staff is also Muslim. So they serve 100% halal food. This restaurant is serving halal food since 23 years. Yes, this restaurant has been here since 1997. So who don't know about this restaurant, I think they must visit here and try their food. It's amazing. The menu is different. The food taste is so amazing. It's really very good. I highly recommend this restaurant. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And the restaurant's description will be given in the description box down below. So until then, sayonara. Bye bye. Let's have a few words with the CEO of Siddiq Group of Restaurants. Here is Mr. Ramzan Siddiq. So, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you so much for having us today over here.
Welcome.
We need to ask few questions related to halal things. So, our first question is, since how long you are serving halal food in Japan?
We are serving last 23 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's
100%
really
halal food.
100% halal food. So, how many restaurants do you have here in Japan?
Before we have a very big chain of restaurants, but now we have only 10 restaurants. We promote like Pakistani food right now.
Okay,
And
because
also
you are from Pakistan.
Yes.
Okay, and what is the future you see in the field of halal food in Japan?
Yeah, future is very bright, and then I think we do our specialty. You know, if you have a restaurant, then do yourself, your own country food or your own specialty, not your copy from others. And we are doing, trying hard. Before we have a lot of restaurants, Indian and Pakistani restaurants.
Okay.
And last 3 years, we're trying to move to, because I'm from Pakistan and I'm proud to be a Pakistani. And then we are already in 10 out of 10, like 7 restaurants, is 100% Pakistani restaurant. And other 3 restaurants, hopefully, inshallah, very soon, we change our brand name and then, signboard.
Okay.
And then we try to promote only Pakistani food. Let's you have halwa, nihari, and sikh kebab,
Okay.
and naan.
That's 100% halal.
Yeah, 100%.
As your staff is also Muslim.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, we have many Pakistani Indian, lot of Pakistani Indian Muslim staff.
Okay. So, what can be the betterment for the future in halal food or serving halal food?
I repeat again, do your best.
Yeah.
And don't copy others. Make your food, even not, you don't need to like a 10, 15 curry or 10, 15 food. Only 3 or 2 is okay, but good one.
Good one.
And then confidence yourself. And I think, I heard from my seniors too, if you bake food with your feeling, food automatically is good.
That's true.
That's
true.
one. And, also, the Japanese government promoting last 3-4 years because of Olympic. Then maybe I suggest to other friends or colleagues, you're taking a lot of benefits from government too. And also halal is not only for Muslim now. Also Japanese customer love to eat halal. And then they want to know that what's the halal.
That's really a good thing, and thank you so much once again. And can you say a few words in the end? What is your message to the Muslims out there?
Oh, in
Japanese, yes.
Okay. 皆様、こんにちは。アスラムアレイコン。私たちはね、レストランは全部東京のすごいいいところで、例えばここ半蔵門なんですけども、今いるところはもう半蔵門バランって言ってるけど、永田町からも近い、半蔵門から近い、浅草六本木からも近い、次がその近くに四谷、麹町、ソフィアユニバーシティの真裏なんですね。あと西新宿の大川とこったところ2階にあって、また秋葉原にある、あと神保町にある、あと日本橋水天前の駅出口のところがあるんですよね。神保町とか水天はもう駅から30秒ぐらいのところですね。 あとこの間オープンした先月は東京ニュースセンター TRC、 それはもう本当に評判良くて今ランチがすごい混んでます。あと木更津にこうフードコートの中にそこで、バーガーとかピザ、あと、タピオカとかね、それも出してるんですよ。全部ハラールです。バーガーとピザもハラールです。あとタイとベトナム料理もやってます。であとオンラインのシャワーもありますので、ぜひお店で来て食べてください。今コロナとか出ない時にオンラインでも注文できますので、どうぞよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much. Visit their restaurants as well as they serve 100% halal food. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.